Just hit the jackpot in shoes. Stick to the end to see what I got. What's up, guys? We are back. I know I haven't been posting in a minute, but I've had a lot of sessions this summer and I've been busy, but we're jumping right back into it. Let's go see what we find at thrift stores. Just got to the first thrift store. I like to call this place a gold mine because you can never know what you're gonna find, but let's go see. First thing I do, I like to come up to the outdoor equipment, trying to see if they got any new golf clubs. Love selling golf clubs, they sell so fast, but majority of the time they always have like trash here, a lot of things that don't sell good. I like to come up to the shoes. Looks like they restock, so let's see what we find. First pair are gonna be these Vans. These are like high top Vans. You only want $6 for these. These should get like 30 to 40. I found two things right here. These area jeans for only $5. A little bit stained there, but I feel like that could come off. And I also got this Untucked shirt right here. They want $4 for it. Good size, 2XL. I like the design. The price on these went down a lot, but I think I still can get at least 25 for it. I was actually able to find another one, same size, $4. Might lot them up. But this one has a really cool pattern also. Those are creepy. No way, I'm not even touching those. All right, guys, sorry that I have to like be whispering and they're so freaking quiet. I feel like everyone can hear me when I'm trying to speak to the camera. But they have this outside section here. It's where they get the donations and you kind of just handpick as they come in.
It is.
As you saw, guys, shoes were only $3 today. We spent a total of like $15, almost $16. A lot of sales yesterday. We're gonna go ahead and drop those off and then on to Goodwill. We're at Goodwill. Here at the racks that they just pulled out, like the new inventory. I found these area jeans right here. They want $10, which is a little pricey, but they are the flare ones. I feel like these are in style right now, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and pick them up. I think I can get like 40 for these. Here at the golf club section, there's nothing but trash here. No good stuff. They do have the Sony VHS DVD combo unit. They only want $7 for it. These are 50-50 of them working, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my risk. If anything, I'll come and return it. But this one should give me like $50. I'm gonna skip through these shorts. These are Noble shorts. This is a great brand. You could barely see that, but I was able to catch a glimpse of it. They only want $5 for these. These should give me like $40. This is the last store that we're gonna stop at. Hopefully we find better things because it's not been the best day. All right, I came to shoes because they have a special deal going on where you buy one shoes, get one free. And I go and they restocked on all the shoes. The first find I found were these Nike Blazers right here. They only want $8. I'm gonna keep seeing what else I can get. Second pair that I'm going to get are these cheetah print Vans. They also want $8 for these. These Keen shoes, they're pretty dirty, but for only $10, I think they can clean up very good. I saw these. These are like brand new. They want $22 though. I don't know. I'm gonna keep looking, see what else I can find. Some Echoes. These are actually pretty nice. We'll see. These Nike free runs. How much they want for these? 10. Yeah, I'll take these. I think I can get like 30 for these. What are these Metcons? Oh, these are nice. I'll take these also. Should get like 40 for those. Some Vans. I'll take those. Here at the t-shirts, I found 2 t-shirts that I'm gonna take. This is a women's Harley for only $2. Nice and easy, will sell great on Depop. And this vintage Chester, the Cheeto. He's embroidered right there. I think I should get like 15 for this one. I'm debating if I want to take this one. It is on a newer tag there, but I'm gonna leave it. I'll take these 2 though. Here at the women's shoes, I found these Merrell barefoot. They only want $8. These sell very good. They have a high sell-through rate on eBay. I also found this vintage Baylor crew neck. They want $10. I'll probably take it. Should get like 35. All right, guys, that is it. I paid $42, and I should be able to at least 5 times my money. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.